Hello.
Hello, I'm here to help you create the perfect interview. I will ask you a few quick questions to get started. First, what is the job experience level you are targeting? Is it entry, mid, or senior level?
I'm searching for entry level,
Great. Entry level? Next, what role are you preparing for? For example, is it front end, back end, full stack, design, or something else?
media manager,
Thank you. Now, what technologies or tools should the interview cover? For example, social media platforms, content management systems, analytics tools, or anything specific?
content management systems.
Perfect. How many interview questions would you like me to generate for you? Just let me know the number.
Three questions.
Thank you. Lastly, what type of interview would you like? Should it be technical, behavioral, or a mix of both?
Behavioral.
Please hold on. I'm sending a request to the app. The request has been sent, and your interview has been generated. Thank you for the call. Bye.
Hello. Thank you for taking the time to speak with me today. I'm excited to learn more about you and your experience.
Hello. I'm glad to.
Great. Let's get started. That's good to hear. Let's get started. Could you describe a time you had to learn a new software or system quickly? What was your approach and what challenges did you face?
mm, Recently, during my intern, I have to experience a new software that was Azure Machine Learning, in which I have to create dashboards, speech models, and various other React apps, in which it was a new experience for me working in Azure fundamentals.
That sounds like a valuable experience. How did you approach learning Azure machine learning and managing the tasks involved? Were there any specific challenges you faced during the process?
Yes, during my initial phase, it was quite tough uh, because it was a
I
new software for me. But I I learned it. I took help from my manager and my teammates learning the software and nourish my how uh,
It sounds like collaboration and seeking guidance from your team played a key role in your success. That's a great approach. How did you ensure you were applying what you learned effectively in your projects?
when I got connected to my manager and teammates. I got checked that my work is foolproof and it is working, and my manager also checked it out. Some flaws were there, but we took them together and we solved them together.
It's great that you took initiative and worked collaboratively to solve the issues. That shows strong teamwork and problem solving skills. Let's move on. Can you tell me about a time when you had to manage multiple tasks or projects with competing deadlines? How did you prioritize your work and what was the outcome?
Yes, there was a time when my manager had given me more than one task, and it was a quite tough phase in which I have to manage two projects, and I was also managing my personal projects with it. So I prioritize on the basis that what is more important at the current time. If my company's project has a deadline of 1 or 2 days, so my personal project can wait, and I should work on the company's project. So I should prioritize things on the number of days, deadlines, and what is more important.
That demonstrates good prioritization and time management. Balancing both professional and personal projects can be challenging. What was the outcome of those tasks or projects? Did everything go as planned?
Uh, yes, we were successful.
That's great to hear. That's excellent to hear. Great teamwork and planning clearly made a difference. Now let's move to another scenario. Imagine you launched a social media campaign, but it's not performing as expected. What steps would you take to analyze the situation and adjust your strategy?
Uh, yes,
Take your time. How would you approach it?
Yes, if our strategy is not working out, we should move to a second strategy, but we should not change our main goal and the basic principle of our working. We should change, we should tweak the work, the way we are working, and yes, it should work in a other way. And if it's not working, we should check out what is going wrong in the process.
That makes sense. Analyzing and adjusting with a focus on the underlying issues seems like a solid approach. How would you specifically identify what's going wrong with the social media campaign? What tools or methods would you use to gather
Uh,
insights?
there are many tools in today's scenario. We can use Instagram, WhatsApp, and there are other social media channels also which are quite active. In teenagers, we Snapchat is is on a boom. We are seeing many downloads also on this app. So yes, we can use many social media
That's a
apps.
Got it. Leveraging popular platforms and analyzing insights from tools like Google Analytics can definitely help identify trends and refine strategies. Thank you for sharing that. I appreciate your thought process throughout the interview. Do you have any questions for me about the role or the
What,
company?
in what team I would be working in the company if I got selected?
Great question. The team you'll join depends on your role and expertise. Typically, candidates are placed in teams matching their skills in areas such as development, marketing, or operations. If selected, HR will provide the exact details and team structure during
Yes.
onboarding. Does that
Thank
help?
you very much. It was a great insight.
You're very welcome. Thank you for sharing your experiences today. We'll be in touch soon with
Thank you.
feedback. Have a great day.